Anthropic has released Claude 4 and it's incredible. We are talking about AI that can code for 7 hours straight without losing focus. Models that are crushing every benchmarks and capabilities that seemed impossible just months ago. I'll break down everything you need to know about these new models. Today we are diving deep into Anthropic's biggest announcement yet, Claude 4. This isn't just another incremental update. We are talking about two completely new models that are setting new standards in AI coding, complex reasoning, and agent workflows. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore what makes Claude 4 so revolutionary. So what exactly is Claude 4? Well, it's not just one model. It's actually two distinct models designed for different use cases. First, we have Claude Opus 4, which Anthropic is calling the world's best coding model. Then there's Claude Sonnet 4, which delivers superior performance while being more efficient for everyday tasks. But here's what's really interesting. Both models are hybrid systems. They can give you near instant responses when you need quick answers, or they can engage in extended thinking for deeper, more complex reasoning. Think of it like having both a quick conversation and a deep brainstorming session with the same AI. Let's start with the powerhouse, Claude Opus 4. This model is absolutely crushing it in coding benchmarks. We are talking about 72.5% score on Swebench, which tests real software engineering tasks. To put that in perspective, that's significantly higher than GPT-4, OpenAI's O3, and other leading models. But here's what really sets Opus 4 apart: sustained performance on long running tasks. This AI can work continuously for several hours on complex projects. Imagine having a coding partner that never gets tired, never loses focus, and can handle thousands of steps in a single workflow. Companies are already seeing incredible results. Cursor calls it state of the art for coding. Replit reports dramatic improvements for complex changes across multiple files. And get this, Rakuten ran a demanding open source refactor that ran independently for 7 hours with sustained performance. That's not just impressive, that's revolutionary. Now, Claude Sonnet 4 might be the more practical choice for most users. It significantly improves on the already impressive Sonnet 3.7, scoring an incredible 72.7% on Swebench. That's actually slightly higher than Opus 4 in some coding tasks. What makes Sonnet 4 special is its balance. It delivers frontier level performance while being more efficient and cost effective. Companies like GitHub are so impressed they're making it the model powering their new coding agent in GitHub Copilot. The feedback from developers is consistently positive. They're reporting higher success rates, more precise code edits, and dramatically improved problem solving. One company mentioned their navigation errors dropped from 20% to near zero. That's the kind of improvements that changes how you work. But the models themselves are just part of the story. Claude 4 introduces some groundbreaking new capabilities that push the boundaries of what AI can do. First, extended thinking with tool use. This means Claude can alternate between deep reasoning and using tools like web search to improve its responses. It's like having an AI that can both think deeply and research simultaneously. Second, parallel tool execution. The models can now use multiple tools at the same time, making them incredibly efficient for complex workflows. And here's something really exciting: memory capabilities. When developers give Claude access to local files, Opus 4 becomes skilled at creating and maintaining memory files. It literally takes notes to improve its performance over time. The example Anthropic shared shows Claude creating a navigation guide while playing Pokemon. It's learning and adapting in real time. Alongside the models, Anthropic announced that Claude Code is now generally available. This brings Claude's power directly into your development workflow, in your terminal, your favorite IDEs, and even running in the background. The new VS Code and JetBrains extensions are particularly exciting. Claude 4 proposed edits appear directly inline in your files, making code review and collaboration seamless. It's like having an AI paid programmer sitting right next to you. They're also releasing a Claude Code SDK, so developers can build their own agents using the same core technology. And there's even GitHub integration in beta. You can tag Claude Code on pull request to respond to reviewer feedback for fixed CI errors automatically. Let's talk numbers for a moment because of the benchmarks are genuinely impressive. On software engineering tasks, both Claude 4 models significantly outperform the competition. Opus 4 leads on terminal coding tasks with 43.2%, while Sonnet 4 delivers strong performance across reasoning, multilingual tasks, and visual understanding. What's particularly noteworthy is how both models have reduced problematic shortcuts and loopholes by 65% compared to previous versions. This means more reliable, trustworthy performance when you're working on important projects. Now you're probably wondering about availability and pricing. Both models are available right now through multiple channels. The Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Pricing remains consistent with previous models. Opus 4 at $15 for input and $75 for output per million tokens, and Sonnet 4 at $3 and $15 respectively. If you are on Claude's Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise plans, you get access to both models and extended thinking. Free users can access Sonnet 4, which is pretty generous. So what's the bottom line? Claude 4 represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, particularly for coding and complex reasoning tasks. Whether you are a developer looking for a more capable coding assistant or someone working on complex analytical tasks, these models offer capabilities we haven't seen before. The combination of sustained performance, memory capabilities, and seamless tool integration makes Claude 4 feel less like a traditional chatbot and more like a genuine AI collaborator. What do you think about these new capabilities? Are you planning to try Claude 4 for your projects? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI updates. I'll see you in the next one.